365 days of unboxing toys and dolls.
Oh my gosh, so cute.
We've had these for so long.
Which one are you hoping for?
Bunny Lapin?
Where's that?
This
Oh
one.
yeah?
Oh my gosh, sheep mouton is so cute.
Babe, I think it's different language. Bunny Lipton, Kalbashi, Cat Chat.
I thought it's the name. You're right.
I think I'm
in
right.
a different language. Which one are you hoping for?
I think Piglet, Cow, or Tigger.
Oh, they're cute.
Or the secret. Let's go. One,
2,
3.
Oh,
I got Tigger!
Oh my god!
Yeah!
I got Piglet! Yay!
So cute!
Oh my god!
Look how cute!
Ta-da!
So cute!
Look at Piglet!
Come back tomorrow for another unboxing.